Okay guys, welcome to another Health X video. Now in today's video I want to explain how to remove a Rascal Pioneer mobility scooter seat. Now the reason I've picked a Rascal Pioneer is they're pretty much universal to all mobility scooters of this size. Obviously this doesn't count folders, we'll do another video of that in the future. Right, there'll be a lever on most models about either this side or this side. Lift the lever up. This will give you the ability to drop the back of the seat down, or if you're having some back issues, you want to recline it even further, we can let it down there. And absolutely, you can ride it like this as well, that's great. Now, at the side, you've got two levers. You've got a lift lever and you've got a slide back and forth lever. This slide back and forth lever is not that common. It's for larger, more exclusive models, but if you see here, we lift this lever and we push it forward. Gives the ability, if we've got shorter legs, to go forward, or if we've longer legs, go back. Lift that handle. Now if we lift right now, the seat's just going to come right off. What I do want to show you is if you want to chill on the side, just put it to the side, put your backrest back up, and you can sit. Let's say you were having breakfast and you want to sit with the family, sit at the table with the family. This is a great idea. Back to the main point of the video though, we twist it round, lift straight up, and the seat is off. Now, one thing I do want to explain, so you keep your mobility scooter in good condition, is people are doing all this and they're just letting it drop. This is not a light seat. They're scratching all the tops. So you want to turn it to the side, put it in the hole, let it drop. Now you see it's not in position. This is not good. This is going to go all over the place. Lift the handle again, find the spot where it fits good, and then it's good to go. Okay, put your handle back up and we're ready to go. This is great if you want to move it in the car. Simple, lift it down, twist it up, off it goes. Handlebars for say, come down now, all the way down, and this will go in the car, no problem. We're going to do some more mobility scooter videos soon, so keep your eyes peeled for those. Again, don't scratch the top of your scooter. Lift up, in place. Let's get it right. There we go. It's in place, all good to go. healthx.store if you want to know any more information about products we sell. We'll see you in the next video.